Your LinkedIn profile picture could be costing you opportunities you don't even know. Well, don't believe me. There are a lot of studies that show that the first impression your LinkedIn profile gives off comes from your profile picture. And if you have a blurry profile picture that's cropped from a group photo, you're not going to get noticed. Somebody else who has worse credentials than you but who has a professional photo might be noticed first. We don't want that happening, do we? But again, getting a professional headshot is such a hassle. You have to hire a photographer, get some cool outfits, hunt for some locations, and pose for hours awkwardly in front of a camera. But what if I told you you could get studio quality professional AI headshots for your resume and for your LinkedIn using just a few simple clicks and by working with freelancers on Fiverr? I know you might be thinking that I'm joking, so before we go ahead further, let me show you the results. So all you have to do is upload a few selfies just like this. No makeup needed, no filters needed, just you in your natural self. In less than 24 hours, you are gonna get stunning studio quality photos like this that you can use anywhere you wish. You can use them for your professional stuff like LinkedIn and resume. You can also use them for informal things like social media content, YouTube thumbnails, and if you get creative, you can use them for your dating profile as well. So are you excited how you can use Fiverr to get stunning studio quality headshots like this? Let me show you exactly how you can do that. The first step is to head over to the link in the description of this video and you will be led to this page on Fiverr. This is the freelancer I work with on Fiverr to get these stunning headshots for me. As you can see, they have 3 packages. The basic package is 1 headshot. The standard package is 5 headshots in 5 different outfits, and the premium package includes 20 headshots in 20 different outfits. So this is super useful and super cheap as well. Imagine if you had to get 20 photographs from a professional photographer, you would have to spend 10 times this amount and go through so much hassle, and you might not even be satisfied with the result. But on Fiverr, it's super easy. All you have to do is go through this freelancer's profile and click on continue. And once you do that, you have to select the package that you wish to go for and click on continue once again. Then you have to make the payment and your order will be ready in just 24 hours. It's literally as simple as that. Fiverr connects you with the best freelancers out there in the field. And the best part is you do not have to learn any technology. You do not have to learn a new tool. All you have to do is hire the freelancer, place your order, and you're all set. In less than 24 hours, you'll have stunning photos just like this ready to be used as and where you wish. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you have any questions or suggestions regarding AI headshots, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again super soon with another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep hustling. Cheers!